Hi, what's up everyone? And today I'm going to show you how to build connections in Obsidian. So to build connections here in Obsidian, it's pretty simple. So when creating a new file such as this, so I'm just going to scale it down a little so you can see. So when you're making your actual folders and templates, you want to rename it into the ones you want to actually make connections with. So if you want to reference something to another template or another folder right here, you can do so. So how do you do that? All you have to do is double bracket, and then you will have to select one right here. So let's just say you're gonna do one with the date, that certain date. So in that day, I went hiking, something like that. And then you want to reference another one, so just double close and open bracket right there, and then you want to say template, and then basically there it'll redirect it to that once you go there from there. And it's just that simple basically. So from there, as you can see, now we're not in source mode. So here, that's it. That's just how you build connections here in Obsidian. It's pretty quick and simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.